Hello everyone, this is Smriti Mishra. A very good evening to all of you, and I once again welcome all of you on another Phygenic conversation. Today's topic is all about laughter. Laughter, the endorphin dominoes of wellness. And this topic is as exciting as our guest today. So, very soon I'm joining him first. Thank you for joining. Hi Krinal, thank you for joining. So let's see. Now our guest will join first today. Meanwhile, you all can join me. Okay, so our guest is about to come. He confirms his presence, so just waiting. Okay. Okay, Sunny. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good evening.
Very
I'm
good
so
evening.
happy, excited. Thank you.
So before you start, I would like to take the honor to introduce you first. So give me some time to introduce you first, and then we'll start with the session. Okay?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, as I have told you about the topic of today's session, I once again would like to, as I am seeing many of the new joinees are there and many of participants are joining. Hello, everyone. This is Smriti Mishra, and I welcome you all on today's Phygenic session. This session is about laughter, the endorphin dominoes of well-being. Laughter triggers the release of feel-good hormone called endorphins. It also promotes an overall sense of well-being and can even temporarily release your pain. Along with its tremendous health benefits, it also has therapeutic value to keep our mental well-being. This is especially needed in the present times as majority of us are working from home and face a host of challenges that are unique to this setup. Apart from providing freedom and work flexibility, we tend to develop stress because of social isolation, bunch of distractions, poor network, and stress associated with over-dependency on mobile phones and electronic gadgets. To subside the effect of stress hormones and level up the feel-good hormones in our body, the role of laughter and healthy humor is commendable. How and why? To understand more on this, we have our guest today, Mr. Sunny Nagpal, who is a leader, motivator, and recently turned author. Sunny is a well-recognized face for early leadership skill. He is a mentor from My DNA Global that has developed a tool for genetic brain profiling. Sunny is also the founder of Happy Learners Foundation that aims to create the world a better place to live healthily. He's also the co-founder of AHA Education, which is in Coimbatore, and it is the most delightful education partner for schools, students, teachers, and parents. His recent book, Know Self, Love Self, and Celebrate Self, has already grabbed the attention worldwide. So, Sunny, I welcome you on the session, and thank you so much for your time. And I hope the session would be as great as before sessions we had earlier. So,
Thank you.
without wasting much of the time, can we start?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. So,
One, two, three.
yes, go. So, my first
Yeah.
question to you is how laughter and humor at work makes you healthy and productive?
So, if you want to be a leader, you have to be happy because leaders are happy. And if you're bossy and Hitler and very serious leaders, very strict leaders, always, micromanaging and, being serious, carrying tensions of home, workplace, we will not be successful leaders. Yes, we'll be managers and we'll be respected for the seat, but we will not be respected from the heart. So if you want to be a leader, be happy and laugh, smile, and smile at all staff, non-teaching, teaching, any level of staff, security. Let the AHA experience begin from home, from the car you drive, and keep yourself in a great lighter note with positive attitude, faith, gratitude, right? All this will add up to be a wonderful leadership quality. Also, if you want to focus, you can't be carrying too much on your head. You know, Tata's or Narayan Murthyji's, all the great leaders, they have businesses in so many countries. You think they are carrying the burden here, or they are light, empty?
Exactly,
I'm
yes.
sure they're all empty. So they are very spiritually intelligent. So they carry a happy heart. So the first and foremost mantra is, if you want to be successful, carry a happy heart, carry a
Right.
light note. So there is a quote
And
which goes, yeah, please.
no, you please continue.
Okay, the quote goes, take only one thing seriously in life. That is not to take life seriously.
Very well
Take
said.
only one thing seriously. Take only one thing seriously in life. That is not to take life seriously. अब वाइफ का मुंह आपकी जैसा खिलखिला नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होता. हम खिलखिला लेते हैं, हम हंसा देते हैं, right? So we should not be serious. Anyway,
Right.
she is not taking us seriously. So why should we take everything seriously?
Okay. So along with all this stuff, do carry this.
Yeah. Look happy, be happy, and smile in the heart.
Okay. So true. So very well said, Sunny, and I'm totally agreeing on this. So moving to the next question to you. Do you think
Yes.
laughter is a tool to release work stress and enhance productivity? Because you are mostly dealing with the tools, you always come up with the new tools. I have seen you and I always listen to you, your programs, your videos and all everything. So do you think laughter is one of the best tools to release work stress and enhance work productivity? I think Sunny's network is not allowing him to join. I'll again add him.
Sorry, Smriti.
Ha, no
There was
problem.
some
I understand.
technical error. I'm
So
back. Now you can
initially I told you the stress of this network and all. So this will remain there. So this shows how practical we are dealing with. How practical.
Yeah, and you carry a beautiful smile always. So I'm very charged
Yes,
because of
I'm
your
trying hard.
vibes.
Thank you.
No. It is natural to you. You're blessed with
Yeah.
that. And
Yes,
you will touch
it's.
millions of lives. Yeah.
Thank you so
So
much.
we'll
Yes,
go to the second question. Yeah.
yes. So do you think laughter is the one of the tool, or you can say the best tool to release work stress and enhance work productivity?
Definitely. Because the moment I laugh it out, I give up the seriousness, I give up my anger, and I become friends again. Laughter is emotional bonding. Laughter means I value you. Laughter means I like your jokes. I like your company. I'm understanding you. So, laughter is a beautiful signal of oneness, building bonds. And at workplace or in the family, you need to be bonded. You can't be serious all the time and you can't cut off. You can't break off because end of the day you're going to work together. Suppose I have to be with a serious face for 5 years with you, it is going to be difficult and you will not interview me again. So I need to build a great bond, laugh together, feel that oneness, and work more, achieve more together, and serve better. So even for material success, we should work and have good laughter and positive environment wherever we live. And it should be a 24-hour habit, not a part-time job. Okay, now laughter session, sit straight. Not like that. It should be a
It's so well
positive
said.
spirit in us. Yeah.
So you are saying that it builds your emotion also. It strengthens your emotional stability also. So this is
Yes.
a
Yes.
very important point that you mentioned. Okay,
Yeah.
Sunny, the
So it is
next
good for
question.
physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual. All four benefits come to us.
Right. So in a way,
Right?
it adds or big it itself become an important tool of wellness, because wellness does not deal with
Yes.
only physical wellness. I mean, wellness means
Yeah.
you should be physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, and spiritually. All the kind of dimension of wellness you need, you require it. So it,
Yeah. One point
and
I will add
laughter is
quickly.
one of the two.
See, if you have a smiling face like Smriti, then I will say, wow, Smriti is from heaven. And if you're carrying a sad face, maar kha ke aayi hai. She was in hell in the previous birth. Or if you don't believe in previous birth, she's a heaven creator. I should have that feel, no? So carry a smile. Inner
Right,
spa,
it
inner
charges you.
makeup is more important than the outer makeup.
Right, that's very important point. And I think smile and laughter, that comes naturally. You don't have to act. Just try to create such environment, and it will add positivity in your work environment or work culture. So very
Yeah.
nice, Sanya. Again, moving to the next question. Uh, Few questions that I have been asked before also, to ask you, to ask some expert who are actually dealing with. So these questions are framed according to that. I just wanted to add, Sunny. Okay, so next question is, how much laughter and sensible humor adds in work productivity by setting a positive work culture?
Definitely, because uh, whenever I am stressed, whenever I am serious, whenever I am, even working on a deadline, I need to be light, leaving it to
Right.
God, living in faith. So that positivity and laughter, light attitude will only give me better ideas because I empty my mind. The baggage I'm carrying should be given off, should be dropped. DROP should become a favorite word. Live in the present, live now, and celebrate now. And in the now comes all the great ideas. And you listen to the inner voice and celebrate the newness, the freshness, and you work with better efficiency. And if you have to work together, you're creating happy leaders, you're creating happy team members. And if I keep scolding Smriti, what is this? My Facebook Live? You should have gone for Zoom. Facebook Live is difficult. If I'm only scolding you, I'm creating a difficult environment. And how will you serve the customers? How will you serve others? What mindset will you have? And if I want healthy employees, happy organization is a must. Only then there'll be happy customers, happy society, happy nation, and happy world.
That's superb. I mean, Sunny, you just enlightened us with your very good thought, and I think whoever is listening to you right now have already changed his mindset, his thoughts, his or her. I mean, so very beautifully you have quoted your words, your thoughts, and put up your expressions, your thinking.
We are
So
from
moving
heaven.
ahead. Meanwhile, I
We are from heaven.
right, people have forgotten this. They think they are self-made, and they try to build the things that, those things are beyond their reach, but they are trying to, and
Yes.
to maintain such artificiality, they have to struggle a lot. So, well, moving ahead. Meanwhile, viewers, listeners, all the participants, I request you, if you have any question, please bring on in. And if you want to ask something, something is running your mind, and if you are not uh, feel like questioning right now, you can also inbox me. I would later try to make a session on that, because this is a very important topic, and we all are, you know, how the situation presently is. So if you have any question, keep us reserved or inbox me, or you can also inbox to Mr. Sunny Nagpal. He is a very cooperative, very nice person. He will be always ready to, you know, serve you with his best answers, with his best thoughts. So keep your questions
Right.
ready. Do ask. Okay. So moving to next question, Sunny. Do you agree that laughter helps to foster like-minded employees? And I just want to know your views on it.
Great teams win championships, and no one single person has achieved big in life, right? You take any big brands, Apple, Windows, Microsoft, Tata's, right? So we need to build wonderful teams, and teams are built only with happy faces. And if
Right.
we don't like each other, if we don't respect each other, we may work and respect Smriti only till this interview. After the interview, badhiya hai. The moment designation is gone, the moment position is gone, we will lose the respect. So we need to build a deeper bond with love and laughter, positive vibes and positive energies. Go beyond correction, but towards connection, right? And connections are made with light heart, forgetting and forgiving. Let's live today, live now, right? Then teams are built.
Very well said. Correction, connection, and correction. So it's like when we have to learn something, we have to unlearn first. And I think we all employees, we are somewhere employees, or even if we are employer, we don't stop to learn. And to learn anything new, you first go to the process of unlearning. Then only you can learn the fresh or learn the new.
And even all learning happens with faith and surrender. When there is
Right.
fearless environment. You know, when I was working in Navjyoti India Foundation, we were a team, and all our classrooms, all our children, 2,000 children in the slums, we were appreciated for fearless environment. Children should feel fearless in your presence. Employees
Correct.
should not live in fear. Now I work in Midna Global, where we do the genetic brain profiling. It's a free environment. We have all the freedom. So there comes the positivity. We laugh together, make situations lighter. Even if I get scolding, next there's a laughter, there is appreciation, there is joy. This element binds us and it takes us far, fulfilling life, right?
So it's so you're saying that it's you who can create such environment. It is you. I mean the employee, whoever is working
Yes,
anywhere. If you're working at
yes,
home, you're working at your workplace, you're working anywhere. It is you
yes,
who needs to create such environment. Be lighter. Be
yes.
light.
Let us radiate happiness. Let us be so happy like the candles and light thousands of candles. Why thousands? Millions of candles. Let the light spread. And I will not be partial. I will laugh with Smriti. I will not laugh with anyone else. Let's laugh together. Let's be impartial, like the nature.
Right.
And let
And
us stay so strong. Let us not blame others. Because of Smriti, I am upset.
right. And laughter is contagious, but this is the only contagious thing that needs to be spread. I think this is the only thing that we should, you know, we continue with it without thinking much.
So just like Corona, Smriti's laughter and happiness, Smriti's wellness, Smriti's fitness should go all over the globe, in all
Beautiful.
parts of the globe, in all corners of the globe.
Right. Very well. Sunny, moving to the next question. And this would be my last question, because I'm not getting the new and fresh questions. So this would be my last question of this round, and then we will have another discussions. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So how to introduce laughter into the present scenario of work from home culture? Like people, people think I have to go with this, and this has become the new normal, and this would stay for longer. We don't know how, and they're facing the
Correct.
challenges. So how to introduce laughter? They think they are already having so much of problems. Now, who will think about
Right.
laughter? So
Right.
even
Right.
if it
So we
comes
have
naturally, that's it's okay.
correct. So we have at Midnight Global the early morning 5 o'clock sessions. So that
Right.
wires our
Wow.
brain into happiness. So we need to make this suffering an offering. We need to make this pandemic a beauty, a celebration, a gift for family. A family that eats, prays, and plays together. So let us be the laughter champions at home for our parents, for our children, for our siblings. What is my presence radiating? What is my daily ritual to be positive? Do I have a 60-minute alarm, an alert? So let us make some habits of doing yoga together, of walking together, of laughing together, of singing songs, of painting together. So work from home, this is from employees' point of view. From employers' point of view, let us initiate lot of wellness programs, at least weekly once, 1 hour.
Right.
Week has 144 hours, if not more, 10%, at least 1%. Very, very important. You need to invite brain experts, happiness experts, and keep it light, keep it human touch, human connection based trainings, not the serious ones. Lot of corporates are doing it. We should spread it more.
Right.
And
And
we should do programs for
I
their
think
families.
all the employers must connect with the people like you, with the coaches like you. It always not good to, just surfing it out and understand the things. You need to call some professionals and do the session with them. It will be good for employees and employer and eventually for the business and the
Thank
growth.
you, Smriti.
So,
One more point, employers should take care of family well-being so that
right.
the employee don't leave them. They become bonded. They feel touched. Let's do family programs, family wellness. Let's go
That is the
beyond the
most
productivity.
important,
Let's go
right? That
beyond.
is most important point that you have mentioned. That is very important.
Let's take
The
the
family.
happiness graph, laughter graph upwards, not just the sales graph.
Right. Correct. Totally agree. Okay. So moving to the next session. This is a straight drive kind of thing. I will ask you some questions and you just need to answer it in yes, no, or can't say. Do not justify your answer. Just say yes or no or can't say. Okay. Shall we start?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So start. It is not work that gives stress, it's the boss.
It's
Yes,
you
no, or can't
yourself.
say. Okay.
Because I don't want to blame the work. I don't want to blame the boss. I think I am the reason I create the stress. My inside temperature, weather is creating stress. So sorry for breaking the rule. Straight
No
drive nahi hai,
problem. But
sixer hai.
I understand this question is very important. I believe that everyone who is listening to this or saying this, uh, they think that okay, this question is very valid, and even your answer can vary from Sunny. But I think this is very valid
Oh,
question
thanks.
for you. Okay,
No, I didn't want to
so
blame the work, and I can't blame you. Smriti, I'm upset because of you. I don't want to blame anyone.
right. So blaming should not be there. I mean, blaming should be stopped, but focusing should be there. And on what you
Let's
need to
take
focus, you
responsibility.
need to
Yeah.
take responsibility, be responsible. Okay. So moving to next, just say in yes, no, or can't say. Okay, Sunny? Do not justify now. Okay. Majority of the employer makes workplace so formal that thinking about laughter and humor makes employee uncomfortable.
Now what do I say again? I don't want to, put the stress on employers. Yes, they do. Let's break this
So yes, okay.
with
Humor
professional
is
life.
an humor is an important key to success at work.
Yes, yes, yes,
Laughter
yes,
is the shortest distance between any two people.
yes,
Laughter decreases stress hormones and increases your immunity.
yes,
Scientifically backed
yes,
also.
yes.
So, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can't escape here.
Okay, Sunny, so I'm coming up with some another rapid fire rounds, and you have to make a funny sentence by including these words that I'll mention to you. And see, this is just a game, and we are trying to make a positive culture here.
Sure.
Okay, Sunny, is the camera is okay? You are able to see me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Superb,
Yeah.
superb. Done, done.
Okay. Okay. So and okay, so we are starting now. You have to make a funny sentence. This is not to
I will try.
degrade anyone. This is just a fun game. Okay.
I
So,
will try.
okay. Yeah. So I'm giving you three words: boss, workplace, family.
Boss hates workplace. I love family.
Great. Okay. Laughter, face, fun.
Laughter on my face is very funny.
So good. Okay. Stress, forget, pocket.
Don't stress. Don't put it in the pocket.
Great. Okay. Life, good laugh, employee.
Good employees should have good laughter in life.
Great.
Life is good with good laugh.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, this one is cool. Okay. Me, my boss, and my family.
हम तीन हमारे तीन.
I'm asking this on behalf of whole universe. This question.
Me and my
Me,
boss
my
are
boss,
a
and my
big
family.
family. Me
Oh,
and my boss are a happy family.
that's so generous. Okay. Okay.
I need
This
to,
is another.
maintain a good relationship with my boss.
Right. I completely understand, and that's good. That's required.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I need to
Uh,
spread positivity.
that's true. You need to. We all need to. Okay.
Yeah.
So moving to the next rapid fire round, and I will ask. I'll give you some words, and you have to just speak out whatever it hits your brain. So don't think.
Huh.
Just a rapid
Yeah,
fire round.
ready?
Okay. So you don't have to take time. Okay. Are you
So
ready?
I'd have to give you this one word, right?
Yeah.
One word.
One
One
word.
word.
No, I'll give you one word. You can um, you can just justify it in a sentence or one word or whatever it
हाँ
comes
हाँ,
in.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा types. Yeah, yeah.
Right, right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Boss, boss.
I love.
Great.
I
I
learn.
think okay. You learn and you love. What you said? You learn.
I love and I learn. Yeah.
Superb.
I respect.
Stress, stress,
Strength is inside. Oh, stress. Bhagao.
stress. Okay.
Bhagao.
Health,
Balance karo is also fine. Yeah.
health.
Very important is wealth, is fun,
Wo-
responsibility is the secret of success.
Oh my God. Okay. Work.
Serve, give, spread, share,
Great.
care,
Stop. Okay.
be
Life.
useful.
Right. Life.
Gift, heaven, fully paid
Beautiful.
world tour, happiness,
Beautiful.
laughter,
Fun.
Smriti. Interview with Smriti.
Okay. Humor.
Your smile,
Is
your
it humor?
laughter.
Okay. Um,
I
okay.
enjoyed this interview very, very much.
Great.
I
Thank you
want to
so
thank
much.
you for being a smiling, laughing host, a
Thank you
great
so much.
host.
Thank you. That's natural. Okay. Workplace arguments.
Forgive, accept,
Laughter.
build a positive relationship,
Right. Laughter.
love, emotional bonding, forgiving. Laugh with friends, laugh with family. And you know what? Laughter is not possible akele. Laughter is
Right.
possible only when we are together. And laughter is love.
Sunny, you have just answered all the questions very beautifully, and I think there's so much of learning. And I'm sure people who have joined us or who are watching us right now also, they must have taken some key points, some learnings from you. And even in future, if you want to connect us, either of us, I'm sure Sunny would not mind to connect further. So you can
Sure.
ask your questions. You can always connect us to whatever it comes, whatever it hits your brain regarding workplace wellness, your wellness, family wellness, family well-being, workplace trouble, workplace arguments, how to deal it with. So you can connect me on behalf of Fitgenics, or to the team Fitgenics directly, or to the Sunny Nagpal directly. Okay. Sunny, I would like to again thank you for your time. And the session was really superb. I personally really very much enjoyed, and I have learned a lot from you. There's so much of positive energy in you that I can feel right now. So thank you so much, Sunny, once again. And with this, I would like to end the session. Sunny, would you like to say something at the closer?
I want to thank you and your entire team for inspiring the whole of India through your nutrition, wellness interviews, pandemic stress management interviews. I've seen quite a few. You keep inspiring through polls, through participation, and with this initiative. And you were a wonderful host today. And all the energy came from you, your smile, your easy warmth, easy questions, interesting questions. So amazing. So
Thank you
keep
so much.
spreading this good work. And I'm very thankful to your family for being a great support system. They should all become wellness champions like you, and they should spread it all across the world. And
Thank you
I'm
so
sure
much.
this initiative will go to schools, colleges, corporates with your
Right.
magic.
Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.